Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about garlic, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with garlic. So if you're looking for something new, a little different to do, getting some meal ideas or recipe ideas, hopefully this list will help you out. Now this list was a little long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to the part two video below. Be sure to watch them both so you can get the whole list. Combine garlic with almonds, breadcrumbs, lemon, olive oil, and parsley. How about garlic with basil, olive oil, and tomatoes? Garlic with breadcrumbs, mushrooms, and parsley. Garlic with broccoli and lemon. Garlic with Swiss chard, potatoes, and rosemary. Garlic with feta cheese and oregano. How about garlic with ginger and parsley? Alright, that concludes part one. Stay tuned for part two. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Bye for now.